everybody. Unit 1, yay, we're finally getting started. So I'm really excited that we're going to start beginning some real chemistry stuff. This unit is all on measurements and calculations. And I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, Mrs. Snyder, I signed up for a chemistry class and then signed up for a math class. Well, in chemistry, you have to do math in order to know how to do chemistry. And it's going to be very basic math. It's mostly just algebra. If you look at the prerequisites for this class, one of the prerequisites is you need to have taken Algebra 1. If you didn't take Algebra 1 yet, make sure you come and see me. But we're not going to get any more complex than like 6 equals 2x, solve for x. That's all we do. And this unit doesn't even have that in it. But we do have to know how to do some math. So just be ready for that. I'll walk you through all the steps that we need to. And what's nice about these videos is you can always go back and rewatch them in case you missed something. And you could pause it and you could try them yourself. So it's really, really nice. And I'm really excited to start doing this flipped classroom idea. So I already gave you the note packets for this. So as you're going through each section, make sure that you're just taking your notes and maybe making notes on the side or highlighting things that you have some questions on next time you see me in person. You'll also see learning goals on the first page, and you'll also see some activities and assignments that correspond to each of those learning goals. So those activities and assignments that are listed are more so for me to make sure that I cover everything that I need to cover in the course. But a lot of students will actually keep track of what we do and what we don't do, or what they've done and they haven't done based on absences and all that. You'll also see that there are 4 learning goals for this unit. So I will reference these relatively often in class. So you have to know how to do these 4 things at the conclusion of Unit 1. So the first one is you'll understand significant figures and be able to adhere to significant figure rules in calculations. You probably have never heard of a significant figure before in your math classes. Why are you learning about it now? Because in chemistry and science classes, we deal with measurements, not necessarily just whole numbers. And there's a little bit of uncertainty in those numbers, which we're going to learn about all in the first section. You'll also be able to differentiate between qualitative and quantitative data and be able to calculate density. You will be able to use dimensional analysis and conversion factors to convert between 2 units. If you're a senior, you might have taken trig already, and I think you do some dimensional analysis in trig. I do cover it here again, but it's nice because even if you eventually do take trig, you will know dimensional analysis already, which will make your life a lot easier then. That's another crucial component of chemistry. And lastly, you'll understand accuracy and precision and be able to apply each to experimental data. So what's the difference between accuracy and precision? Why do chemists test for accuracy and precision in their experiments? All 4 of these learning goals are things you're going to learn about in Unit 1, and I'm really excited. So in the YouTube bar, you'll find all of the little videos that correspond to this. I'll try to separate them that way, and let's get started.